Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. Yeah, I've been working and that's for certain. Somebody said the game hurting. A quieter taste, you know you need me. Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. I ain't playing and I'ma show it. The day's going fast and the clock don't stop. Ain't got time to blow it, nah. Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. Yeah, I've been working and that's for certain.
How to do collaboration successfully for social media. If you want to learn these steps that I'm going to give you so you can have a successful collaboration, then stay tuned and watch what I tell you. How to do collaboration successfully with social media. First, we need to find out, what does a collaboration mean? A collaboration is a partnership between two or more people to produce something that will be or have a greater goal or outcome than a single or silo project. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you about 10 awesome tips for you to use to have a successful collaboration with social media. Okay. So I have my phone here, so I'm going to read my notes. How do you find collaborations? First of all, you can find them on almost all social media platforms. Some of the ones that I personally use are YouTube, Instagram, Clubhouse, and Streamyard. Yes, the app Streamyard has a collaboration section where you can find people to collaborate with. Okay, so the first tip, look for someone you are compatible with, not necessarily in your niche. What do you mean? Yes, not necessarily in your niche. So, say you're a clothing channel. You can go with someone that does crochet. It doesn't have to be the same niche. You want to break out of your same niche every time. So do something a little bit different, okay? Do your own respective research on each other so you will know what to expect, okay? So you can know each other's mannerisms. You may say, hey, I want to collab with Verne, but you may not like that I use my pom-poms. You might be like, oh, my channel wouldn't go for that or whatever. So as you are doing it, then you'll know, what works and what doesn't work. Number 2, have a 30-minute conversation prior to agreeing to do a collaboration with each other, to make sure you both want the same thing, the same outcome, okay? You want to derive at the same end, same goal, or choose an idea ahead of time during your meeting what you want to work on, okay? Number 3, make sure it will be a win-win situation for both parties. This is so important. You don't want to just do it and only that person is getting something out of the collaboration. You want to do it where both of you are getting something and it's a win-win situation for both of you to decide if following matters. What does that mean? Does it matter if I have 1,000 subscribers or I don't have 1,000 subscribers? Do you want me to have 5,000, 10,000, 20? Or is that not the case? So for me, it's not the case. I will work with almost anyone. I will vet you first to see, or I will watch a couple of your videos first to see, yeah, that will work for my channel. My subscribers would like it, or the other person's subscribers would like it. That is something important that you should do on your own, okay? Number 4, consider each other's viewing audience. Yes. So if you're a comedy channel, you may not want to have a Christian person to collaborate with, or you may. It's up to you. But just be careful of, what do you think your audience would like? Do you think that may deter some people in your audience, in your community, from wanting to see that? Okay, so that's something you may want to work on your own. Or what you can do is ask your community, hey, would you like to see me do a collaboration with a magician? Would you like to see me do a collaboration with someone that does crochet or whatever that is? Okay, so I think that's good. While we're on this one, decide if you're following matters. We went over that. Consider each other's viewing audience, collaboration to invite to YouTube should be sent to view on both channels. What does that mean? Whose platform will it be on? Okay? Whose will it air on? Or will it air on both? Now, there is a thing that YouTube has where you can air it on both channels, and I'm going to get to that in the next tip. Check your time zones. So I interviewed someone in Africa. I interviewed someone in Abu Dhabi. Their time zones are totally different. So while it may be late for me, it may be super early for them. That is something that you want to definitely consider, the time zone, the dates and the times that you guys are going to get together to do it. What day works for you? Does Wednesday work better for you than Thursday or Saturday? So figure all of that out again. Get a thumbnail or a picture that you're going to use to complement each other. Okay? Will there be a color scheme? So you know, for me, most of the time, my color scheme is green. Okay? So that may be important to me, but you should also ask the other party, would you mind if our thumbnail is green? Or what are your colors? Are your colors white and blue? Are they going to clash? All of these little things are important, okay? Tip number 6. Consider if it will be a live collaboration or a video stream. The style of the video. All of this matters, okay? Will it be only audio? So if you're doing Clubhouse, it's only audio. It won't be video like on YouTube. You need to sit down and talk and see what will work for you guys, okay? Also, when will it air? If a video does both creators have to be monetized? That's something important that you want to ask, because if I'm a monetized channel and you're not, but we're not streaming on my channel, I'm not going to get revenue for that. Do you care? Do you not care? It's something to consider, okay? Tip number 7. Is this a paid collaboration or a barter collaboration? So we know what paid is, when you get a stream of income or you're going to get revenue or funds. A barter is, hey, well, you're going to come on my channel. I'm going to give you some tips about how to use social media on YouTube. And maybe you can tell me something about tips on Clubhouse. Whatever that case is it going to just be bartering services or what? This is important when you're doing collaborations, okay? Number 8, decide the topic prior to. Yes, decide what are you going to talk about? What is the collaboration going to be about? Are you both in agreement with it? Are there going to be giveaways? You know, for each platform, there are some special things you need to put in your bio if it's a giveaway. So YouTube does not sponsor this video, even though this is a giveaway. These are things you need to consider, especially if you're a monetized channel, okay? Along with that, whose moderators are you going to use? Are you going to use my moderators? Because my moderators know what I allow and don't allow. We're going to use your moderators. Do your moderators know what I want? How are we going to do that? Are we going to talk to them prior to? Are we going to have a meeting? Like, all these little things really do matter. You don't have to do everything that I'm saying, but you should consider, will this work for you or not? Okay? So make sure that you both understand what is allowed and what is not allowed. Tip number 9. Share out the other person's links. So if I have a merch store, if I have a channel on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you want to have all of the other person's links in the description of the video. Also, promoting. Who is going to promote the collaboration and how is the promotion going to be taking place? Are we going to share it out via Facebook, via YouTube, via Instagram? Are we going to do them all? Are we going to do an ad? You need to get that information together. This is why you have a sit-down meeting. I would say for 30 minutes or minimum 30 minutes, okay? It could be an hour, but at least a minimum of a 30-minute sit-down talk with you and the person you're collaborating with, or the persons if it's more than one, okay? On this same tip, add each collaborator's social media link in the description box along with their links. If they have a book, you might want to put that in the description about, hey, this person is the author of this book. Here is the link to go to their book. The very last tip. Decide on respectability. What does that mean? Deciding on respectability means, okay, we're going to have this collaboration. Are you going to let me talk, get my point across, then stop? Now, back to you, Michelle, and then let Michelle say what they're going to say? Or are you guys going to talk over each other? Are you going to have people from the audience come up? All of these things are super important to consider, okay? Such as, again, one person talks, get their point across, then the next person speaks. So it's very, very important. So, for me, guys, this is my interpretation of how to have successful collaborations via social media. I hope this helped you. This is part of the how-to series. There will be 13 episodes, all in the month of October. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, a video will drop. So thank you for being here. If you have not subscribed, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you would like to see more. And with that, guys, we are getting ready to close out the video. Remember that today is a good day to have a great day. Never stop dreaming. And be a kind human being to someone else. Thank you for being here. Go spread love and spread light. Bye!
Elevate, elevate, elevate with Verne. Heighten, rise, voice, promote, upgrade. Elevate, lift, transcend, uplift, jump. Elevate, raise, glorify, pedestal.